If you want to ensure you've got pure drinking water whenever needed, these filtration solutions are ideal. Freshwater Group offer cutting-edge filtration systems, freshwater filtration solutions, and water filters for cleaner, more pure drinking water. They only stock premium NSF certified filters, and work hard to ensure you always have safe, clean drinking water available. Products include countertop filtration systems, single undertop options, twin undertop products, and whole house water filters. The water filter solutions available from Freshwater Group can be attached directly to the incoming water supply. Filtered tap water provides a number of benefits over tap water or bottled water. Filtered water is healthier, and can help to support the immune system. Check out the link in the description for more info.